walking from St Christopher's Church through the alleyway that leads to the seafront. It's around 2:30 p.m. and here we go. There's more fences that have been blown down. Storm Eunice is showing her presence. So I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to be blamed. I'm just making films of what's going on. This alleyway seems to be becoming a bit of a dumping place. Stop dumping your rubbish. This is our town, we don't want your rubbish. Message me and the Happy Club and we'll pick it up for you. We'll find someone to pick it up like we always have done. Storm Eunice. About 70 miles an hour. Before we go on the seafront, let's have a look at the Broadway. Yeah, a lot of these walls are concrete. You can hear the wind howling. Got to be around 70 miles an hour here in Jaywick in the afternoon. Take care, stay safe. Storm Eunice. Me, DannySloggett, bringing you real news. Really how it is. No editing, no fabrication. Exactly how it is exactly how I film it. Take care, stay safe, and if you go out, look like me and be safe. Shine on.